aspiring doctors. Here is a certain list of universities which are common among students in Ukraine. The first university up is Bogomolets National Medical University NMU. It is a medical school founded in 1841 in Kyiv, Ukraine. The university, named after physiologist Alexander A. Bogomolets, provides medical training for over 10,000 students, including about 1,300 foreigners from 56 countries. The university employs about 1,200 teaching staff. It is one of the best medical universities in Ukraine. It offers various courses in undergraduate and postgraduate levels to students. The university consists of 10 faculties. It also has a separate institute for postgraduate education. The university is a pioneer in training medical specialties and research personnel in the field of healthcare. It has around 1,500 professors. Included in the numbers are 855 PhD and 205 Doctor of Sciences. Thus, the students are trained by specialties. The second university up is Lviv National Medical University. It is one of the oldest and biggest medical university in Ukraine. LNMU was established during the 18th century. About 3,000 students are studying at 38 departments here. 600 foreign students are studying at the faculty as well. The teaching process is carried out by 500 teachers, academicians, professors, assistant professors, senior teachers and assistants. Webmetric gave it a country rank of 12 out of 320 universities in Ukraine. The next university up is Kharkiv National Medical University. Over 700 teachers work at the department of the university. At present, there are about 3,400 foreign students in KNMU who study at the medical, nursing and dental faculties. Students are undergoing postgraduate and clinical postgraduate residency courses as well as professional probation at departments of the university. In dental, therapy, orthopedics, surgery, oncology, urology, psychiatry, ophthalmology, obstetrics and gynecology as well as other medical specialties. The university has trained over 5,000 specialties for 86 countries of Europe, Asia, Latin America and Middle East countries. The university ranks 560 out of 11,000 universities in the world. The next university up is the Ternopil National Medical University, Ukraine. It is a medical university located in the city of Ternopil in Ukraine. Over 6,500 students are currently enrolled in Ternopil State Medical University, including more than 2,000 international students from 53 countries. It is listed in the FAMER, that is International Medical Education Directory, under the ECFMG and the World Health Organization Directory of Medical Universities or Schools. TSMU's degree is recognized by WHO, US Education Department, General Medical Council of England and in the EU countries. The university consists of the following faculties, which are as medicine, dentistry, pharmacy and nursing. Postgraduate programs are also offered in different fields. The next university up is the Zaporozhye State Medical University, ZSMU. It is a medical university in the city of Zaporozhye, Ukraine. It is one of the oldest medical higher institutions of Ukraine, is a self-governing state higher educational establishment of the 4th level of accreditation. The university became an international higher institution long ago. In 1973, the preparatory faculty for foreign citizens was opened. More than 3,500 students have been trained for their further studies on the medical, biological specialties in the other higher education establishments of Ukraine since then. The training is then carried out with the specialties such as general medicine, pediatrics, pharmacy. The new specialties laboratory diagnostic and technology of cosmetic preparations will be open in the nearest future. The next university up is the Vinnytsia National Medical University NI Pirogov. In 1960, the institute was named after Nikolai Pirogov. In 1984, it was awarded the Order of the Badge of Honor. Since 1994, Venestia Medical Institute has been certified and accredited by the fourth level of accreditation as a university. In 2002, the university acquired national status. Rector of the university, Moroz Vasil Maximovich, Doctor of Science, Professor, Honored Worker of Science Technology of Ukraine, member of the National Academy of Medical Sciences of the Ukraine, and the Hero of Ukraine. The teaching staff consists of 645 doctors, including 385 candidates of sciences, 69 professors, 248 associate professors, and 172 teachers. The next university up is B.N. Karazin Kharkiv Medical University. It is one of the major universities in Ukraine and earlier in the Russian Empire and Soviet Union. It was founded in 1804 through the efforts of Vasily Karazin, becoming the second oldest university in modern-day Ukraine after the University of Lviv. Under the Soviet Union, the University of Kharkiv was decorated the Order of the Red Banner of Labor, the Order of the October Revolution, and the Order of People's Friendship. In 2019, according to the QS World University Ranking, it is the best university in Ukraine and 410th university in the world. The next university up is the Uzhhorod National University. It is the city of the Uzhhorod, is one of the major public universities in Ukraine and earlier in the Soviet Union. It holds the fourth level of accreditation and its courses and curriculum are as per the European standards of the education. The next university up is the Taras Shevchenko National University of Kyiv, located in the Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. The university is universally recognized as the most prestigious university of Ukraine, being the largest national higher education institution. KNU is ranked within the top 550 countries, universities in the world. It is the third oldest university in the Ukraine after the University of Lviv and the University of Kharkiv. Taras Shevchenko University is renamed after the Taras Shevchenko, a major figure in the Ukrainian literature and art. It is an institution of higher education that trains specialties in many fields of knowledge and carries out research. It is considered the most prestigious university of Ukraine and a major center of advanced learning and progressive thinking. It consists of more faculties and departments and trains specialties in a greater number of academic fields than any other Ukrainian educational institution. Last but not the least is the Poltava State Medical and Dental University. Poltava Ukrainian Medical and Stomatological Academy at Poltava State Medical and Dental Academy in English in a tertiary education institution in Poltava, Ukraine, which was founded in 1921. It is a part of the Poltava State Medical and Dental University UMSA. The academy offers courses in medicine, that is MBBS, dentistry and nursing. UMSA was founded in Ukraine 1921 as Poltava State Medical and Dental University by the Odontologic Faculty of the Kharkiv Medical Academy. As of 2004, PSMU had reached a confirmed level of 4th accreditation. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep liking and sharing the videos. Do share your comments in the comment section. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.